In this problem, we're given a line with a slope of 2/3 and contains the point 2, 1. Step 1 is to plot the point on the graph using the point tool, which is located down here. Click on it, plot the point 2, 1 by moving 2 units to the right of the origin, so 2 units in the positive x direction, 1 unit in the positive y direction. Click your mouse to plot a point. Step 2 is to use the slope to find 2 other points, one to the left and one to the right. To do this, I'm going to have to write the slope in 2 different ways. So look over here, and I've written the slope as rise over run. In the first iteration, I've written it as 2/3. This gives the run a positive value of 3, which means I'll be moving to the right 3. To get the one on the left, though, I'm going to have to make the run negative. If I make the 3 negative, I'm also going to have to make the 2 negative, because we can't change the value of the slope. So notice that -2 over -3 is the same value as 2/3. I haven't changed the value of the slope. In fact, negative divided by negative is a positive. So both of these slopes is 2/3. I'm going to use this one first. I'm going to start with the point 2, 1 on the graph, thinking of the slope as -2 over -3. This means that the run is -3, which means move left 3. The rise will be -2, which means to move down 2. You can do these in either order. So I'm going to start at 2, 1. I'm going to choose to move left 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to move down 2, 1, 2. Click my mouse button to plot a point. Now I'm going to repeat the process, again starting at 2, 1, but this time I'm going to think of the slope as +2 over +3. So I have a positive rise, which means to move up. I have a positive run, which means to move to the right. So in this case, I'm going to be moving right 3 and up 2, but I'm going to keep 2, 1 as my starting point. Here's 2, 1. I move to the right 3, 1, 2, 3. I move up 2, 1, 2. Sure does look like I have a line. Step 3 is to graph the line. You do this by using the line tool, which is located down here. Click it, pick any point, click and hold your mouse button on that point, and move until you have a line. Go to the other points, let go of the mouse button, and you've drawn the line. The last step, step 4, says to write the ordered pairs for each of our points, and you do that down here. It's asking for the coordinates of the left point, so click in this field. My left point, here was the middle one, 2, 1, that was our starting point. The left point has coordinates starting at the origin, -1, -1. So in proper fashion, I'll type in left parenthesis, -1, -1, right parenthesis. Click down for the right point. The point that we plotted to the right of the starting value is over here at 5, 3. So again, using proper notation, left parenthesis, 5, 3, right parenthesis. That's basically it.